Hello, and thank you for joining me today. Today we'll be going over the Employees Efficiency Report application. Here you can see we're using Robert Jones. He's a body technician and he's being paid hourly. You can see that he has 5 jobs currently that he's working on, and here they are down below. And of the 5 jobs, it turns out those are 101 hours. And so far, he has put into the jobs 57.50 hours, leaving 44.2 hours left. So when you take those numbers, he's running about 176.88 efficient. So if we go down and look at these repair orders, here we have Kenneth. He was never assigned those hours, but he's actually worked on it for 1.84 hours. That's why it has a red arrow pointing down. The other ROs for Santos, he's got 26.9 hours. He completed them in 21.05. You can see a green up arrow. And then again, you got Garcia for 18.2. Currently, he's 5.3 into it, and so on. If we look to the right side of the page for June, you can see currently, just counting these 5 and not what he's already done, he has 101 hours, the 57 hours that he's worked on it already, and it's showing again efficiency of 176.88 efficiency. So now we're going to do a few months. So we're going to do 2.5 months. So I'm going to go into this range here and do a custom range. And I'm just going to go back to April 1st, and then we're going to go to June 30th. I'm going to apply it, and then I'm going to hit go. So now this is going to give me 2.5 months total. So now he has 27 jobs for 414 hours, and he has completed those jobs in 269.01. That shows you a leftover of 145.39. So he had $24,864 in gross dollars. It cost the shop $67.25 for gross for his efficiency at 154, and his gross profit at 18,138 for a gross profit margin of 72.95%. So we can go down and you can analyze every repair order that he worked on, and it will give you the month as far as the period goes and assigned hours and hours worked. So you can see that there's a few red ones in there, but most of them are green. So he had 392.7 hours. He completed them in 257.73. So if we go to the top of the page, you can see that April, his overall efficiency for that month was 129.41%. May, he improved to 167.53. And currently, he's running 164.75. Down below, you can see the pie graph that breaks it down for each month. So this is a great way to actually see how your techs are performing, especially when they're asking for raises. Here you can look at this and decide if he is worth the raise that he's asking for, and have the data to back you up. So this will conclude this video on the efficiency report for Cyber Garage.